Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video, we'll be talking about, well, that this system did not form because it got pushed up by a frontal boundary, which is here, which is pushing it towards the west. Now, models are hinting of a big storm in the Caribbean someday. Next week. The wave actually does come from the MDR, but it does form here and then becomes a massive system. Now, whether it moves out towards the sea, we don't know. But the most high likely chance of it is doing that. So making landfall on Cuba, then turning to make landfall on the Bahamas, or turning to make landfall on Florida and then move out. Nothing's in the East Pack. We don't need to talk about the East Pack because, look, there is barely no cloud in the East Pack whatsoever. I'll show you tropical tidbits. Nanthu is now back to tropical storm status again. See, Namuthu. I'll show you forecast models because, oh boy, the models are interesting. We do actually get wonder that does form. If you keep watching, by the 21st, 24th, we do have a system that did form in the Gulf of Mexico. Sorry about that, guys. I'll turn my sound off. We do have a high pressure system ridge. Very weak one. But it will push some systems off towards the west. On here, it looks like nothing's going to be forming whatsoever. Even on Halloween. On Halloween, nothing forms on Halloween. Don't ask me why I call it Halloween, guys. I don't know. It's just that, I like to call it Halloween. But the 6C model runs wanted something off the East Coast next week and here next week. Now, whether this system does, that system comes from the Gulf. Now, if we look, I'm going to look on pivotal weather. Pivotal weather. Right, there we are. Pivotalweather.com. Now, I haven't used Pivotal Weather. I've heard of it, and I see a lot of people use it. But, models, there we are, models. Right. Sorry if this does look kind of weird, guys. I do apologize, as I'm using my phone, as you guys already know. Oh yeah, guys, I'm getting this game for Christmas. So what I'll be doing is, on my second channel, I'll be uploading gaming content on there. And plus I've got my PS4. I'm going to be saving up to get the PS5, so yeah. Anyway, I do hope that you don't mind that. But anyway, let's have a look at the models for yesterday. Um. Yeah. I can't get them up, guys. Sorry about that. Nancy's a tropical storm. J T W J T W C. There we are. Tropical graphic. So, actually did become a tropical storm last night. But actually, I don't think it was a tropical storm here. I think it was a tropical storm here and here. But I think it was a depression for a good couple of days. And then obviously it's gonna rapidly weaken. You see, it might intensify maybe just a smidge to category not to a cat 1. Cat 1 is unlikely, but it is meant to rapidly weaken as it gets over here. And 2, plus the sea surface temperatures up here aren't really that conducive for tropical storm development right now. I'll show you where the system is, but for it being in 25 to 24 degrees Celsius waters, it's actually breathing, all right. It's got an eye trying to form for some reason. I don't know why. That's on the first frames. I'll circle it so you guys can have a look. It may be visible, but you can just see it a little bit. And now I don't know if it's a bit of dry air or anything, but if I do mark it in that area right there, no, it's a bit further that way. There. Keep watching that bit. Boom. Boom. Pause it. That bit right there. Now, I don't know if that's a dry air spot, where dry air's entraining into the system, or it just could be a bit of a cloud top that's starting to wane, and then go back like that. Now, in the latest frames, there is a lot of convective burst in the system, and actually, yeah, it's going to start its post-tropical transition very soon. So, I'm going to show you analysis tool, analysis, ocean. Now, and then your 3.4 index is actually going down rapidly. We are officially in a La Nina right now. It may be a weak La Nina, but, we could go back down to that 1. And if we do, as soon as the MJO is going into the Atlantic, I reckon that we're going to have a very active Atlantic this year in October. Like, the Atlantic was active last year in September, October, and we had a major hurricane in November last year. Now what we should be doing is this model is now going back down. So that's that model there. 1+2 model is going back up. Nina 3 is going down. Nina 3.4 is going down. It's been going down for literally August. From this bit and onwards, it's been trending down. So it's been going from basically to a La Nina. This is a double dip La Nina. So started last year in July. So July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February. January and February of 2021. March, April, May, then June, stopped at June, and then went back to normal again, and then July we dipped down, up, August we dipped down, up, September we dipped up a bit, then September we started to trend down. And then, is it August? Yeah, August we started to trend down. July we went back up, then August we kept going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, until October. As soon as October came, towards the end of September, boom, La Nina formed. And that actually formed kind of quick, because 2 weeks, a month later, boom, La Nina warning, and then a couple of days after La Nina warning, boom, La Nina has officially formed, and it has formed. As you can see, this cool horseshoe shape is starting to form. That is what La Nina needs. This cool ocean shape to warm the Pacific up. Now, in 2016, when you had that La Nina, you had warm water up here, which is still fueling the tropical systems that came off towards the west. So you had like warm ocean heat here. Wait, let me zoom out. So you had warm ocean heat here in this horseshoe shape. You had enormously low pressure over here. So any storms that do form, they could have managed to go like that. And the MDR yet again in 2000 and the MDR yet again in 2016 wasn't as active as everyone thought, because people thought, oh, 2016 is going to be a very above average season with 20 named storms, 16 16 name storms and so. But, it hasn't, 2016 hasn't done that. 2020 and 2016, no, 2016, no, 2020 and 2021 has done that. 2021 has officially got 30 name storms. Now, can 2021 beat that? Unlikely, but we could get down into the auxiliary naming list, and we could get far down the auxiliary naming list. Now, I don't know how far we're going to get. I just know that we're probably going to get down there. We've got a month of hurricane season left. November 30th is when hurricane season ends. Now, you can still get tropical storms that still form in December, but there won't be anywhere in the Caribbean or the Gulf of Mexico or the MDR, because the tropical latitudes would have shut down. But the subtropical parts wouldn't have shut down, because one, the subtropical can still support a hurricane. Now, whether it will become a hurricane, unlikely in December. It has happened though in December, a hurricane in December. Now, I don't know whether that will happen, but I do think that 2022 will be an El Nino season, to be honest with you. We probably will get that first part active. That's what we're going to keep us active. And then maybe towards this part of 2022, we might get an El Nino, which means hopefully should suppress the activity. Now, if we do get 20 named storms yet again next year, I will be absolutely mad, because that would have been 3 years in a row we would have had an active Atlantic with near enough the whole named storms filled. 2010 had 20 named storms. 2020 had no 2020 had 2010 had 19 named storms. And all that. I will show. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna show you satellite imagery of namthem. I am babbling a lot. Yes. Oh, shut up. Yeah, on satellite imagery, that actually looks kind of like an eye. I'm not gonna lie. This kind of looks like Bill on the latest frames. If you pause out the latest frames, right there. It kind of looks like Bill when it's here. So when it's here, it does kind of look a tiny bit like Bill, but this is when it's actually post-tropical, because actually it's not kind of post-tropical. I still believe that this is a... Oh, that's a bit bugged. The water vapor's a bit bugged, guys. We got dry. There's barely any dry air in the West Pac. There's only dry air up here. All of this bit here is moist, which means this storm has a very easy time breathing. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Peace, and have a great day. This video will not be uploaded until about 9 o'clock UK time. Tonight. It's Friday the 15th of October. Well, it'll be uploaded about 8:30ish. No, it'll be uploaded about 8:30 UK time. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash a like, subscribe, as I'm losing subscribers, which is not good for my channel, because if I lose subscribers, then YouTube is not gonna push my content out to anyone. So yeah. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and share. I love you all. Stay safe from hurricanes. Stay safe from tornadoes, tsunamis, and everything else. See you all in the next video, and goodbye.